Dear children, in this today's session, I am going to explain about factor theorem. In the previous session, we learned how to solve the problems based on remainder theorem. So factor theorem is very simple. That based on this, you are doing so many problems in the previous years, isn't it? Observe here definition. When a polynomial fx is divided by some other polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is something we got fa. What remainder we will get? What remainder you will get? It should be equal to 0. If you divide any number, if you get the remainder 0, then so what number or what divisor we are dividing? The dividend. That is nothing but a factor of a dividend. That is nothing but a factor of a dividend. See here also. So then x minus a is called factor of the polynomial. So this is the theorem. When a polynomial fx is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a we got. That f of a should be compulsory, should be equal to 0. Then we can say x minus is a factor of the polynomial fx. It is a factor of the polynomial fx. To understand this, let us see one example. Divide this polynomial 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 15 by x minus 3. So I divided the polynomial. So finally what is the remainder I got? Remainder I got 0. Therefore we can say x minus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. This is a simple concept we have in the factor theorem. So now we will solve the problems. Okay? So use factor theorem to show that x minus 3 is a factor of x cubed plus x squared minus 17x plus 15. So here x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore this implies x is equal to 3. So f of 3 is equal to, in the given expression, you have to substitute the value 3 cube plus 3 square minus 17x, 17 into 3 plus 15, 27, 9, 51 plus 15. So 27 plus 9, that is 36. 46 plus 5, 51 plus 51 minus 51 is equal to 0. So what it implies? X minus 3 is a factor of x cubed plus x squared minus 17x plus 15. So this is the remainder theorem we applied. Now x minus 3 x cubed plus x squared minus 17x plus 15. We should get the remainder 0. X squared x cubed minus 3x squared. So what happens? Plus minus plus. So what happens here? It will become 4x squared minus 17x plus 15. So here 4 is there and plus 4x. 4x into x, 4x squared minus 12x plus minus plus 17 minus 12, 5x plus 15. So minus 5x plus 15. So therefore here plus cancels, here minus, it also cancels, remainder 0. So what it shows? X minus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. If they say one more question like factorize completely means one factor is already we got x minus 3. Now we got here quadratic equation. So we have to factorize the quadratic equation. What we did in the quadratic equation chapter. So using factorization we can find us two more factors. Totally 3 factors will be there. Totally 3 factors will be there. So note on this. Second question, use factor theorem to show that x plus 2 under 2x minus 3 is a factor of 2x square plus x minus 6. Here, f of x is equal to 2x square plus x minus 6. So let us take one by one. First, I will take x plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 2. So f of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus 6. 2 square for 4 2 is 8 minus 2 minus 6. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say x plus 2 is a factor of 2x square plus x minus 6. First part. Second part, what they are asking, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies 2x is equal to 3. This implies x is equal to 3 by 2. So f of 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 6. That is 2 into 9 by 4. 2 ones, 2 2s plus 3 by 2 minus 6 and 1. So 2 is the LCM. What happens here? 9 plus 3. 1 2 is 2 6 2 is 12. That is 12 minus 12 by 2. That is 0 by 2. That is equal to 0. So therefore what we can say, 2x minus 3 is a factor of above polynomial. Okay, so note all this sum. So third main, first one. Find the value of a so that x plus 6 is a factor of the polynomial x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus a. So what is the polynomial there given? F of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus a. So divisor is x plus 6, that is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 6. It should be equal to 0. So f of minus 6 is equal to minus 6 whole cube plus 5 into minus 6 whole square minus 4 into minus 6 plus a is equal to 0. Because it is a factor they are saying, isn't it? It is a factor. They are saying that it is a factor. Therefore, we can equate to 0. Remainder should be 0. 62, 16, I think so. Minus 2, 16, 36 into 5, 180 plus 180 plus 24 plus 0 is equal to 0. Minus 2, 16, 4, 10, 204 plus a is equal to 0. Okay? 2 16. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. So 12 minus 12 plus a is equal to 0. This implies a is equal to 12. So a value we got. So that is equal to 12. So now do this sum. So in this third method, second one I am doing as homework. Same method you have to follow. They are saying that find the value of a for the polynomial bx cube plus ax square plus 11x plus a plus 3 exactly divisible by 2x minus 1. Instead of they are telling the factor, it is a factor, they are telling that it is exactly divisible. So that means remainder should be equal to 0. Same procedure you have to follow for that. Okay? No problem. Fourth sum, what must be subtracted from 16x cube minus 8x square plus 4x plus 7 so that the resulting expression has 2x plus 1 has a factor. Understood? Let k subtracted number be, let subtracted number be k. So therefore, what is f of x now? 16x cube minus 8x square plus 4x plus 7 minus k. So what is the factor they are saying? 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies 2x is equal to minus 1. This implies x is equal to minus half. So f of minus half is equal to 16 into 1 minus 1 by 2 whole cube minus 8 into minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 plus 7 minus k is equal to 0. That is 16 into minus 1 by 8, right? Minus 8 into 1 by 4 minus 2 ones, 2 twos, only 2 plus 7 minus k is equal to 0. So if the factor is definitely the remainder will be 0. 8 ones, 8 twos, 4 ones, 4 twos. So what happens here? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 plus 7 minus k should be equal to 0. This is minus 6 plus 7 minus k is equal to 0. So therefore k is equal to 7 minus 6, 1. So what is the number to be subtracted from the given expression so that it is the factor of 2x plus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial, k is equal to 1. So now do this one. So, fifth question is a little bit different. Using factor theorem, show that x minus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 5. That sum we did the previous question in the previous. Hence, factorize the given expression completely. That is the extra question they have here. Here, f of x is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9. So what is the factor they are saying? X minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 7 into 3 square plus 15 into 3 minus 9. 27 minus 3 square 9, 9 7 is 63 plus 45 minus 9. 5, 7 plus 5, 12 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 72. This is 63 plus minus 63 minus 9 is minus 72. So that is 0. Therefore, x minus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9. We should not stop here only because they are asking to factorize it completely. Therefore, we have to divide now. X minus 3. We will get some quotient. 7x square plus 15x plus minus 9. Correct? So here x cube, here x. So that means 2x are not another. So therefore we have multiplied with x square. X square into x cube. Minus 3 into x square, minus 3x square. Plus, minus. Minus 7 plus 3, minus 4x square. Plus 15x, minus 9. So here minus is there, I will put minus. 4 is lagging, 4x. Here to multiply. Minus 4x into x, minus 4x square. Minus into minus, plus 4 3 is 12x. Here plus, here minus. So here what happens? 3x minus 9. Correct? Plus 3x minus 9. Plus 3. 3 into x, 3x. Minus into plus, minus 9. So here plus, minus, subtract, plus, so 0. So now we got the quotient x square minus 4x plus 3. So what you have to do? You have to factorize that sum. So I will factorize here x square minus 4x plus 3. So 3x square, 3 ones are 3, minus 3x minus 1x. So x square minus 3x minus 1x plus 3. X common x minus 3 minus 1 common x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 1 factor, x minus 1 factor is equal to 0. Either. So there are 2 factors we got, isn't it? There are 2 factors we got. X minus 3, x minus 1. Already we have one more factor. Therefore, so factors are x minus 3 2 times and x minus 1. So there should be 3 factors. So you have to write in the brackets only properly. X minus 3 into x minus 3 into x minus 1. Don't multiply and keep the answer. Okay? So these are the. So you have to factorize completely. So in terms of factors, we have to write. Note down this. So using factor theorem show that x minus 4 is a factor of this, and hence factorize means factorize completely. So f of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 26x minus 40. What is factor they are given? X minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 4. So f of 4 is equal to 2 into 4 cube plus 4 square minus 26 into 4 minus 40. That is 64. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. 64 into 2. 64 into 2, 8 into 128 plus 16 minus 104 minus 40. So we can add this to 128, 16, 144 minus 4, 1. So 0. So therefore x minus 4 is a factor of 2x cube plus x square minus 26x minus 40. Correct? Now we have to divide x minus 4 2x cube plus x square minus 26x plus minus 40. So here 2 and x square. So 2x square. 2x square into x, 2x cube. Minus. 2 fours are 8x square. So plus minus cancels, plus 9x square minus 26x minus 40. Plus 9x square minus 36x. Plus minus 10x minus 40. Plus 10x minus 40. Plus minus cancels 0. So this is the quotient we got. So what you have to do next step? You have to factorize 2x square plus 9x plus 10. 10 to the 20. 20x square, 2 factors. 5 fours are 5, 4. 5x, 4x plus. So 2x square plus 5x plus 4x plus 10. So x common 2x plus 5 plus 2 common 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 is one factor, x plus 2 is another factor. So what are the factors now? Factors are one is x minus 4, another is 2x plus 5, another is x plus 2. So these are the factors of this given polynomial. So note on this sum. So next 7, 8 and 9. 7, 8, 9, 10. Question numbers 7, 8, 9, 10 homework for you. So you have to practice in home. Okay? So note on this. So 11th one, x minus 2 is a factor of. They are given the polynomial. Find the unknown term p. With the help of p, factorize the above expression completely. Okay? So f of x is 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 cube minus 2 square minus p into 2 minus 2. Correct? Now 2 cube is 8, 8 2 is 16, minus 4 minus 2p minus 2 is equal to 0. Because it is a factor they are saying. So 16 minus 6, that is 10, minus 2p is equal to 0. This implies 10 is equal to 2p. This implies p is equal to 10 by 2. 2 ones, 2 5. This implies p is equal to 5. So second part, what you have to do? So you have to substitute this p. Substitute the value of p in above equation, above polynomial. So what happens? So polynomial becomes f of x is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus p. Instead of p, what I should write? 5x minus 2. So this is a polynomial. And we got one factor already explained to each other, one factor. Remaining factors we have to find. That means we have to factorize completely. So in the previous sum I showed, first we have to divide this polynomial by x minus 2. You will get the quotient, that is quadratic equation. And you have to factorize that quadratic equation. 2 more factors will be, totally 3 factors will be. So therefore what I am doing is, next part I am giving as homework, second part. You have to do it. Homework. Okay? So note on this sum. So in the 12th question, find the values of a and b if x minus 1 and x plus 2 are both the factors of the given polynomial. So f of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 6. First factor I will take. X minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 1. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus a into 1 square plus b into 1 minus 6. That is 1 plus a plus b minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies a plus b is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Equation number 1. So plus 6 minus 1. So 5. So second, I will take x plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole cube plus a into minus 2 whole square plus b into minus 2 minus 6. This is minus 8. This is 4a. This is minus 2b minus 6. This implies 4a minus 2b. This is equal to 0. So it is equal to 8 plus 6. 14. So divide out by 2. 2a minus b is equal to 7. Equation number 2. Now solve for equation 1 and 2. A plus b is equal to 5. 2a minus b is equal to 7. So directly we can add. So 3a is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 by 3, 3 ones, 3 fours. This implies a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Substitute a is equal to 4 in equation number 1. So a plus b is equal to 5. 4 plus b is equal to 5. B is equal to 5 minus 4. So b is equal to 1. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to 1. So they have the unknown terms in the equation. So similarly, do second one as homework. Do second one as homework. Note on this one. Question number 13. If x cube plus ax plus bx plus 6 has x minus 2 as a factor and leaves the remainder 3 when it is divided by x minus 3. Find the values of a and b. So what is f of x? Polynomial x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6. Correct? Now, first x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus 6. 8 plus 4a plus 2b plus 6 is equal to 0. Remember, this implies 4a plus 2b is equal to minus 8 minus 6. Correct? That is 4a plus 2b is equal to minus 14. Divide out by 2. 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. Equation number 1. This is first part. Second part, they are saying that x minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 3. So f of 3 is equal to 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus 6. Okay, that is 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus 6 is equal to, remember what they are saying, 3. Okay, 27, 33. So 9a plus 3b is equal to minus 33 plus 3. That is 9a plus 3b is equal to 30. Divided out by 3. 3a plus b is equal to minus 10. Equation number 2. So we got equation 1 and equation 2. So solve for equation 1 and 2. Minus 7. 3a plus b is equal to minus 10. Subtract. Cancels. So this is minus a is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3, or a is equal to minus 3. First part. Substitute. A is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. 2a plus b is equal to minus 7. 2 into minus 3 plus b is equal to minus 7. Minus x plus b is equal to minus 7. B is equal to minus 7 plus 6 minus 1. So b is equal to minus 1. So these are the unknown terms a and b. So note down this sum. So using factor theorem, factorize each of the following. Here no factors are given. We have to search for the factors. So what is the constant term here? Constant term in f of x is equal to 15. So what are the factors of 15? Factors of 15 are 1 minus 1, 2 it will not go, 3 minus 3, 4 it will not go, 5 minus 5, correct? That is 15, that's all, and 15. 15 minus 15, correct? Okay. Minus 15, no? Minus 15, okay. So now, if I take 1 here, 1 plus 7 plus 7, 14, 1 minus 15. So it is plus 14. Here minus 15 plus 1 minus 14. So it will be 0. Correct? Therefore I will take this 1 as a. That means, so what I should take here. So 1 is a factor of x cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 15. That means x minus 1 is a factor of fx. X minus 1 is a factor of fx. Okay? How we can say, so 1 is a factor of fx. So substitute. F of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 7 into 1 square plus 7 into 1 minus 15. 1 plus 7 minus 15 is equal to 7 plus 7, 14. Minus 15 plus 1 minus 14 is equal to 0. So therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Correct? Now we have to factorize completely. So what we did in the previous sum, like that one. So x minus 1, x cube plus 7x square plus 7x minus 15 factors. X square, x cube minus x square plus minus cancels plus 8x square plus 7x minus 15 next plus 8x into x, 8x square minus 8x plus minus cancels plus 15x minus 15 plus 15x minus 15 plus minus cancels, plus cancels 0. So what we got? X square plus 8x plus 15. Factorize it. X square plus 8x plus 15. 5 3 is 15. X square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. What is common? X common, x plus 5 here, plus 3 common, x plus 5. X plus 5 is one factor, x plus 3 is another factor. So we got x minus 1, x plus 5, x plus 3. Therefore factors are x minus 1, x plus 5, x plus 3. So these are the factors. So they will not give any factors here. We have to search for the factors by taking the constant term of the given polynomial. So there are so many, whatever you can check first, then we can apply in the question. Okay? Right. So do it this one. Fifteenth I am doing homework, you do it in home. 16th I am taking 2x cube plus 3x square minus 9x minus 10. Here constant term of f of x is equal to minus 10. So it will go in one. Factors are 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus 10. Correct? Suppose if I take 1, this becomes 2, 5. Okay? This becomes 9, so it will not go. Correct? Minus 1 if I take, this becomes minus 2, this becomes plus 3, this becomes plus 9, this becomes minus 10. So what happens here? So 12 is this is also 12. So minus 10 to minus 2, 12. Minus 12 plus 12. So I will take this as so what is children? Minus 1 is a factor of. Minus 1 is a factor of 2x cube plus 3x square minus 9x minus 10. This implies f of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 10. So this is minus 2, this is plus 3, plus 9, minus 10. So what happens? 12 minus 12 is equal to this. This implies x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. The factor of f of x. So we have to divide it now. X plus 1, 2x cube plus 3x square minus 9x minus 10. So 2x square is adding 2x square into x, 2x cube plus 2x square plus minus cancels, minus x square remains minus 9x minus 10 plus x square plus x plus minus cancels, minus 10x minus 10 minus 10 minus 10x minus into plus minus 10. So plus so remainder 0. So we got the quadratic equation. So factorize the quadratic equation. 2x square plus x minus 10 minus 20x square 5 4s are 20 plus 5 minus 4 plus 5 minus 4. So 2x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 10. Okay, so what is common? x common, 2x plus 5 remains here, minus 2 common, 2x plus 5 remains here, 2x plus 5 is one factor, x minus 2 is another factor. So we got 2x plus 5, x minus 2 and x plus 1. Therefore factors are x plus 1, 2x plus 5, x minus 2. So these are the three factors of the given expression. So note on this sum. Seventeenth I am giving as homework. 18, 3x cube plus 2x square minus 19x plus 6. So constant term of f of x is equal to plus 6. So 1, comma, 1 6 just 6. Okay, 1 6 just 6. Minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 6, minus 6. Okay? So suppose if I take 1, this becomes 3, this becomes 2, this becomes minus 19, this becomes 6. So 6, 8, 3, 11. So it will not go. If I take minus 1, if I take a minus 1, this becomes 3, this becomes 3x cube. 3x cube. So this is 3x cube. If I take minus 1, this becomes minus 3, this becomes 2, this becomes plus 19, this becomes plus 6. So it will also not go. So if I take 2, what happens? 2. 2 cube 8, 24. 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8. 38 minus 6. 24, 6, 38. So what happens? 24, all plus 1, this is 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 8, 38, 38 minus 38. So we can take 2. So what happens? X minus 2 is a factor, because it is plus 2, is a factor of f of x. F of 2 is equal to 3, 2 cube plus 2, 2 square, 19 into 2 plus 6. So this is 8, 3 is 24 plus 8 minus 38 plus 6. 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 8 is 38. 38 minus 38 is equal to 0. Correct? Now divide x minus 2, given expressions 3x cube plus 2x square minus 19x plus 6. Here 3 x cube, here x square, so that becomes 3x cube minus 2x, 3 to the 6x square, 3 to the 6x square. Plus minus cancel, so plus 8x square minus 19x plus 6. Again plus 8x plus 8x square minus into plus minus 16x. So cancels plus 19 3x plus 6 minus 3. Minus 3x minus into minus plus 6. Here plus, here minus. Cancels 0. So this is the quadratic equation we got. Now what you have to do? This quadratic equation we have to factorize. 3x square plus 8x minus 3. 3 3s are 9 minus 9x square. Okay. 9 1s are 9. 9 1 plus minus. Correct? So 3x square plus 9x minus 1x minus 3. 3x common, x plus 3. Okay. minus 1 common, x plus 3. X plus 3 is one factor, 3x minus 1 is another factor. Now we got three factors, x minus 2, x plus 3, 3x minus 2. Therefore, factors are x minus 2, x plus 3, 3x minus 1. So these are the factors. Okay? Note down this sum. Next sum 19th I am giving as homework. So 19th also homework. Okay? So note down this. So 20th sum is x minus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x minus kx plus 10. Find the value of k first. Then we have to determine whether this is x plus 5 is also a factor of the given expression. Okay, f of x is what here? X cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 2. So f of 2 is equal to what they are saying 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus k into 2 plus 10, that should be equal to 0 because it is a factor. 8 plus 4 2 is 8 minus 2k plus 10 is equal to 0. 2k is equal to 16. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 26. So this implies k is equal to 26 by 2. 2 ones, 2 13s. This implies k is equal to 13. First part of the question is over. This is the first part. Second part of the question. Determine whether x plus 5 is also factor. X plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 5. Now in place of k, what you have to substitute? 13. Okay, remember. So f of minus 5. F of minus 5 is equal to minus 5 whole cube plus 2 into minus 5 whole square minus 13 into minus 5 plus 10. So 125 minus this is 25 to the 50 minus into minus plus 65 plus 10. So now we have to add this 50, 10, 60. 60 plus 60, 120 plus 125. That is minus 125 plus 125 is equal to 0. Therefore, what we can say? X plus 5 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square minus 13x plus 10. So this is the 20th sum. Note down. So this question is same like what we did from 14 to 19. So factorize because no factors they are given, we have to search using the constant term in the polynomial. Okay? So constant term is equal to 26. Therefore factors are 1, 2, 13, 26. 1 to 13, 26. 1 to 13, 26. This is positive, therefore positive values will be there. So now 1, 10, minus 37, 26. 26 to 10, 36. So 36 plus 1, 37. 37 minus 37. So 1 we will take. So x minus 1 is a factor of, plus 1 is mentioned, you have to take this side, x minus 1 factor of x cube plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26. Correct? Therefore, f of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 10 into 1 square minus 37 into 1 plus 26. 1 plus 10 minus 37 plus 26. That is 37. So 21 sum is same like what we did in 14 to 19 sums. So fx, they will give only the polynomial. We have to search for the constant terms and which constant, which factor of the constant term is suitable so that we can get the remainder 0. So here 1 is suitable. Therefore x minus 1 is a factor of this. I substituted the 1 in the place of x. I got 0. So next step, what you have to do? So you have to divide, isn't it? You have to divide x minus 1. X cube plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26. So x cube here x, therefore x square. So x cube minus x square. So plus minus. We have plus 11x square minus 37x plus 26 plus 11x. So 11x square minus 11x. So what happens here? Plus minus cancels plus 7 minus 1 is 6, so 26x plus 26 plus 26. 26x minus 26. Plus into minus. So here minus, therefore here also minus. So minus here plus, therefore what happens? My plus here minus cancels. So 0. So what is the quadratic equation we got? X square plus 7x minus 26. So you have to factorize. Minus 11x minus 26. So 26x square. 26x square means 13 2s are. Minus 13 plus 2. Correct? Minus 2 plus minus. So therefore x square minus 13x plus 2x minus 26. What is common? X minus 13 one factor plus 2 is common, x minus 13 another factor. So x minus 13 x plus 2. Already we got one factor here, x minus 1. X minus 1, x minus 13, x minus x plus 2. X minus 1, x minus 13, x plus 2 are factors of f of x. Okay? So same type, what we did in the question number 14 to 19. Same method you have to apply here. So note down this sum. 22nd I am giving homework. X plus 2 is the factor of the expression. And when expression is divided by expression is leaves remainder 52, find the values of a and b. Already we did this type of sums. Okay? You practice it. So I am giving 22nd as homework. 22nd homework. So by this I completed the chapter remainder and factor theorem. Thank you.